We are continuing kinds of nouns. We have done proper noun. Now we will look at common nouns. Common nouns. Now what are common nouns? What are they? The common nouns is the name given in common to every person, place, animal or thing of the same class or kind. So what is a common noun? It is the name given in common to every person, place, animal or thing of the same class or kind. Okay? I will give you few sentences for you to understand common nouns. Now when you say lady, it can be any lady. Name given to any lady. Lady. Man, it can be any man. Old man, young man, any man. Or when you say city, it can be any city. Elephant, any elephant, unless you give a name, any elephant, any flower. Mother, anybody's mother. Father, anybody's father. Sister, brother. Okay, so then village, any village. School, it can be any school. No specific name is given. Farmer, cattle, sky, field, anything that you name. So common noun is a name given in common to every person, place or thing of the same class or kind. So to understand better, we need to do exercises. Exercise makes us perfect. I'll put down sentences for you to recognize the common nouns in these sentences. Man is an intelligent. Man is an intelligent animal. An elephant trumpets. Next, it is a city of joy. City of joy. Flowers. Grow in the garden. Flowers grow in the garden. My mother went to the market. Went to the market. My school is big. Birds fly. The birds fly in the sky. In the sky. And finally, we have the 8th sentence here. Farmers feed their cattle in the field. In the hills. Okay, in the hills. The farmers feed their cattle in the hills. Now, I have here a whole lot of sentence. Now, what we are trying to do is common noun, proper noun we did earlier. Now, we are going to pick out. We need to recognize, identify common noun. Common noun, name given to anything of the same class or kind. So, let's look at it very carefully. A man is an intelligent animal. Man, it can be any man, old man, young man, any man. There's no special name given, man. So, man is a common noun. Any person. Now, animal, we have said animal, it can be any animal. Now, an elephant trumpets. What does an elephant do? It trumpets. It is not a specific elephant, a common name for any elephant. It is a city of joy. Joy, city, any city. Any city. Chennai, they didn't say Chennai city, any city. Okay. Now, flowers grow in the garden. Common name for any flower. Any garden. They didn't say any particular garden, just garden. So, it's a common noun. Man, elephant, city, flowers, garden. Mother, any mother. Your mother, her mother, anybody's mother. So, mother is a common noun. Where did she go? She went to the market. Any market. They didn't say any specific market. Any market. So, mother and market, they are common noun. School. My school is big. Any school. Again, school is common noun. The birds fly in the sky. Birds are common noun. Sky is common noun. And finally, we have farmers feed their cattle in the hill. Farmer. All farmers. Any farmer. Okay. Farmer. Then cattle. When you say cattle, it's all sheep, cow, everything together. Then we say hill. They didn't specify hill, any hill. Now we have a whole lot of, learn to identify common nouns. Common nouns are names of anything given as a whole, as a group. Now, any farmer, anybody who's working in the field, we call farmer. Now that's a common noun. Cattle, all the animals put together, cattle. Hill, any hill. Okay. Now, common nouns in each of these sentences. Man is a common noun. Elephant is a common noun. City is a common noun. Flowers are common noun. Mother, school, birds, farmers, garden, market, sky, cattle and hill. They are all common nouns. Very good. So, we learn to identify common nouns from these sentences.